video series. So next part is gonna be part 2. I'll be detailing proteins. Proteins are one of those really big macros or food types that I'd call them. And the thing about protein is that's actually the building block of your entire body. So your body actually produces all the energy that your body uses for every other activity. Your brain was created by proteins. Your arms, your legs, your nails, your fingers all have proteins inside of them. So obviously they're very important. So how much protein should you be eating? I recommend eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or 5 whole meals of at least a handful of protein. So that would be, so just to show a meal plate right here, you can see the meal plate's actually broken into sections. And I want protein to be about 40 to 30% of that plate. That'll ensure that you're actually getting all the protein that you need throughout the day, and you'll automatically begin to eat less because you'll be fuller throughout the whole entire day. There's multiple benefits to actually eating protein. Protein is one of those things where I don't feel personally that you can overeat on them. Protein is going to be one of those things where the more you eat, the less you'll eat. It's one of those things where it'll stop you from eating so much because you'll be so satiated from the protein that you're already eating. Even if you're eating a vegan diet, which is why I always recommend, no matter what diet you're on, include protein in it, because that's the building block of life itself. Now I want to get into what are some types of food that you can start implementing today in order to get results in the gym, in life, in health, and possibly in any other area that you potentially go after. And it all starts with having a healthy diet that enables you the energy to pursue any passion that you desire to go after. So here's my short list of some proteins that I have every day. And if you begin to incorporate some of those along with some other accessory lists that you could possibly include, and even begin to incorporate a whole healthy diet that's balanced with healthy protein, unprocessed proteins, and helpful proteins to supplement your diet. I want you eating whole proteins from whole items, and there's plenty of them to choose from. So with that's been protein. This by far is going to be the best way, guaranteed, for you to get premium results without having all the food jargon and all the mess involved with losing weight that's necessary to get those results.